goodness, were they impressive. You can see the handiwork there of the T28. And the incredible pyrotechnicians that we have out there, part of the EOD team here at Marine Corps Air Station Miramar. Rob Ryder, what do you love about a P51? And the best part of this story is that war, like we fought in World War II, should never be repeated. Well, as we said at the beginning of this brief presentation, Allied partners in World War II, children, if they're here with you right now, what your family did in World War II. Keep these stories alive and pray we never today. Otherwise, the legacy of our World War II generation, the Korean War, for so few, when the world was indeed at war. The T28 now back at Show Center for a parade pass. Coming in from the left, T6 that has flown here for many, many years. Some memories for you?
A little before
air
my
shows
time.
past.
You bet.
That's where I was going with it.
Yeah.
We'll bring up the WASP as we talk about these ladies who flew these airplanes over to the front line. I mean, so many.